Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
It is this Gov.Fubara that is building a general hospital, which I also included a psychiatric hospital, because they will need it very soon in their place. So tell them, what I have done in 1 year is what they did. Like I said, let them make me talk. Let them make me talk. It's only empty container that makes noise. If God has given you opportunity, eat your thing and keep quiet. God will continue to give us the strength to do the best for our people without fear.